Already you know how to open table and enter the new records or editing existing record. Adding records to the table by opening it is not the best method, and it is not possible to store the data at a time in more than one table. So there should be an user interface to interact with the table. Forms. Forms provides an easy way to enter data into tables. Access forms are much like paper forms. You can use them to enter, edit or display data. Forms are depends on tables. When using a form, you can choose the format, the arrangement and which fields you want to display. In one sentence, the form is another view of the tables. It is used to work with the records in easy way. Let's see how it is. Here I am going to create a form for the table student list. Click on Create tab. And then click on More Forms drop down menu and choose Form Wizard. Click it. Form Wizard dialog box appeared, which enables you to choose the fields that you want on the form. These are the available fields from the table. Here I am choosing the fields what I want. When you click this single greater than button, the selected field in available fields move to selected fields box. Name, class, then I would like to choose roll number. After the selection completed, click on Next button. Here you can choose the layout. Layout is for how you would like to see the form control on the form. This is the columnar layout. This is the tabular layout. Here you can observe the preview of the selected layout. Click on Next to move next option. Here you can choose style of the control. These are the different styles which can change the appearance of the controls. Click on Next button. Here you can change the title of the form. Here I am changing the title as Student List Data. Click on Finish button to get the form view. This is the form for the selected fields. This is the first record out of 6 records in the table. This is the new blank record command which enables you to enter new record into the table. Here I am entering new record. And it has been saved in the table automatically. This is the first record command. Click here to get the first record. This is the last record command. Click here to get the last record. This is the command to move to previous record. Now we are on 7th record. Click here to get 6th record. Use this command to move to next record. This is how to navigate in the records of the table using form. In case you want to edit the data, choose the field to edit and type the required data. Here I changed the class from 10th to 8th. Here I am changing the name. The modified content saved automatically. This is my form. Do you know how to change the form title in case required? Or else how to change the background color of the control? Or how to add date and time over the form? Let us see. This is the form view. To make any changes, you will have to shift to form design view. See how it is. Right click on form tab. Click on design view from the appeared menu. This is the form design view. It enables you to make changes. To change the form title, select it. And press delete key to remove. Now you type the new title. Here I am typing student information. Now I am showing how to add date and time to the form. In form design tab, you can find date and time in control group. Click on the same. Date and time dialog box appeared. Here you can choose the required format of date and time. After choosing, click on OK button. Now I am going to change the form view to see the modification. This is the form view. Here you can observe the title of the form changed and date and time. Again I am going to design view. Now I would like to change the background color of ID text box. To do this, select the control. Here in the property sheet, you can change the required property. Here I am changing back color property. Choose this color to apply as back color of the control. See, in the design view of the form, selected control back color has been changed. Like this, you can change any property of the control. For the form title, I would like to apply the different font. Let's see how it is. Select the title. Here, choose the required font to apply. To make it bold, click on bold command. Here I am going to form view from this design view to see the affected changes. Here I am going to show you another view of the form, that is Split form. Here you can see the tables and form data at a time. Click on Create tab. Then go to Split form and click it. See, the selected form appeared with the table content. Now you can choose the required record in the table. That same would appear on the form. Here you can do necessary modification. Form view enables you to change necessary modification for the form properties also. You can change name of these labels, or you can apply the color, change the font styles, etc.